You can expect a lot from the 2017 Chevrolet Trax. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.